Welcome back to Narival Podcast, where we uncover unseen struggles, unheard voices, and inspiring journeys of women who carve their own path. Today, I am joined by Miss Tejasvi. She is based out of Pune. She is a psychologist and behavioral therapist, passionate about supporting special children in developing their life skills and behavioral management, and she is also pursuing QBA. So, let us know more about her through her own journey. वेलकम तेजस्वी टू नराइवल पॉडकास्ट।
Hello, Mansi.
आप
Um,
आपके बारे में कुछ बता सकते हो प्लीज?
yes, so as you said that I'm a behavioral therapist pursuing my QBA. Basically, a behavioral therapist is someone who is helping the special needs children uh,
हम्म।
to manage their behaviors, to work through their behaviors and communicate with their parents. So as we see that special needs children mostly struggle with communication, with
हम्म।
behavior management, as they don't know how to express themselves. So we
हम्म।
being the behavioral therapist, we work on their behaviors, managing the behaviors and helping them to learn new skills which can help them in future, supporting them. I can't say that I'm helping them, I'm supporting them to learn. I'm giving them the space to learn. I want them to grow, and they all are special. We say that they are special and they need special care, but everyone is different, everyone is special in some or the other way. So that's how
Yeah.
we look at it. The QBA degree is something that is my kind of dream because
व्हाट इज क्यूबीए?
yes. So QBA is a qualified behavioral analyst. It's
हम्म।
a degree given by Quaba board.
हम्म।
So I am getting the degree that gives me more scope that I can help the children's. As we say that there is masters, above that there is MPhil, there is
हाँ हाँ
PhD.
हाँ,
The
करेक्ट।
same way QBA is something which gives me the open space that I can work more with children's. Extensively I can work with children. I
ओके।
can supervise people. I can teach other therapists to help other children's. So
हम्म।
this is like I am getting one more level up so that I can help more people and more children.
इंडीड आई लिसन दैट यू वांट टू हेल्प चिल्ड्रन। हाउ डिड दिस कम इनटू योर माइंड? आपके पहले से ही आपके मन में था कि हम यू वांटेड टू गो इनटू अ साइकोलॉजिकल सेक्टर, समथिंग लाइक दैट, कि आपने आसपास किसी को देखा? हाउ, व्हाट इज योर जर्नी? वी वांट टू नो।
So आसपास तो देखा था, मतलब
हम्म।
I saw somebody struggling with mental health issues
हाँ।
during my childhood, but that was
हम्म।
not the only reason. So
ओके।
initially I had zero clue what I want to do. Being in the like वो होता है ना teenage में, that the family is saying go for science, I'm going for science.
हाँ
The
हाँ हाँ,
family is saying do this, I'm doing that.
करेक्ट।
So after that, I got to know about psychology. I decided, okay, let's try this. Let's try
हाँ।
psychology. And I started working in psychology. I started studying psychology. And there was one field visit, जो मतलब it touched me. And that field visit gave me an idea that I want to work in this field. If I have the strength, if I have the empathy, if I have patience to work with in this field, I want to go ahead, because if I have it, I want to give it to others. Then I decided that yes, I'm going to work in special children field, and I want to get more experience in that.
How do you feel that psychology plays in a child's life?
For the special childs, I can say that we call them special because they have some different abilities from the neurotypical children. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there is two sectors we call, which is neurodivergent and neurotypical.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
for neurotypical, it's typically growing children with the achieving the milestones at the same time and dealing with things at the same time.
Uh-huh.
They achieve their milestones at that level. So suppose you say that at 2 years the child will walk independently, the child will climb the stairs independently. They will do that.
Mm-hmm.
But for the neurodivergent, as the word says, it's divergent. It's diversity in the spectrum. Psychological needs, I can say that they learn through experiences. We all learn through experiences.
Yes.
But for them, it's a bit difficult than us to cope up with things. For them, it's a bit
Mm-hmm.
difficult for communication, to express their needs.
Okay.
That's the learning, the psychological learning they get through the
Mm-hmm.
experiences. And that it's something we try to work on
Okay.
because that's the learnings we try to unlearn and teach them what we want them to do.
Yes, and that's what behavioral therapy is, right? आप
Yes.
पैटर्न्स देखते हो उनको चेंज करने की कोशिश करते हो फॉर गुड. यू ऑल्सो हेल्प पेरेंट्स टू हाउ टू मेंटर देयर किड्स. तो ये तो हुआ स्पेशल किड्स के बारे में. तो आपका क्या मानना है आज के तारीख में व्हाई पेरेंटिंग प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल? Because what I have seen, what I talk with my friends, I talk with few therapists, I talk with many people about parenting, how it plays a role. मैंने ये बहुत ऑब्जर्व किया है कि मेनी ऑफ द ट्रॉमास और मेनी ऑफ द बिहेवियरल एट्रीब्यूट्स गो बैक टू द चाइल्डहुड रूट्स. उनके कोई इंसिडेंसेस हुए हैं, मोस्ट आई वुडंट से 90%, बट या 60-70% कहीं ना कहीं मेरा आज कोई बिहेवियर है. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, इफ आई एम एक्सट्रोवर्ट, देयर वुड बी समथिंग बिहाइंड रिलेटेड टू माय चाइल्डहुड इंसिडेंसेस, जिसके वजह से आई हैव टर्न व्हाट आई एम टुडे. मेरा यही कहना है. व्हाट आई वांट टू आस्क यू इज, पहले के जमाने में पेरेंटिंग वाज वेरी इजी, एज इन पीपल डिड नॉट पे दैट मच ऑफ अटेंशन विच दिस आज के पेरेंट्स करते. जैसे आज के पेरेंट्स दे कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन वन चाइल्ड, दे दे पे होल अटेंशन, उनका 360 डिग्री वर्ल्ड इज दैट चाइल्ड. और पहले के जमाने में, मतलब अगर मेरे दादाजी के जमाने की बात करूंगी, तो उनमें इतने सारे किड्स की है कि किड्स कब बड़े हो गए उनको पता भी नहीं चला. तो वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा इग्नोरेंस था और यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा इंडल्जेंस है. तो व्हाट डू यू से कि कौन सा पार्ट इज बेटर? इफ नॉट, हाउ कैन वी मेक इट बेटर?
I personally feel that we have to find balance between either too much of care or too ignorance.
या.
Because as you said, that yes, childhood plays a big role in our psychology, a big role in how we develop. So suppose if my parent has been ignoring me for if I cry, or if my parent has been ignoring me if I'm asking them something, then I'm in the future I might not ask them because I know they are not going to ignore me. That's
हाँ.
how my connection with my parent is getting hampered.
हम्म.
At the same time, if my parents is giving me everything, like हमारे मतलब बचपन में बोला जाता था, my mother used to say this, that if you get everything on the time you ask, you have to understand the
अंडरस्टूड.
value of it and how
हम्म.
is you have to, so in ABA we say this, that you have to deprive the child for something for some duration. I'm not saying for whole day or whole
हम्म.
month, but when you deprive someone from that specific thing, the value of
हम्म.
that thing increases. And getting that material, getting that thing gets important for you.
या.
So there
हाँ.
was a study I read yesterday about that
हाँ. हाँ.
there were parents who raised the child without saying no.
ओके.
They never said no to their child for anything.
हाँ.
उन्होंने सब दिया जो बच्चों ने मांगा. But
करेक्ट.
later, when they grew up, the problem was they were not able to handle no from their spouses, from their child. So they used to snap out, they used to get triggered that how can you say no to me? So this
या.
is something I would say that right now, they obviously the parents are trying their level best for their child.
हम्म.
And they are trying to give, like, I know that thought of being कि मुझे नहीं मिला है तो मुझे मेरे बच्चों को देना है.
करेक्ट.
I understand that. But
या.
we have to somewhere draw the line, is what I feel. We have to find the balance. So
या.
sometimes give it to somebody. Sometimes just say that no, not right now. I can give it to you later. The child will learn to wait.
या. And that's how a child will learn and also understand to segregate what is important, what is not, as in as per the time. इस टाइम के हिसाब से अगर आज मुझे लगी है पैर पे, तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मुझे अटेंशन तब के तब मिले और पेरेंट्स उसको हाथ में लाके दे. और यही अगर चीज, अगर आज मुझे लैपटॉप चाहिए, तो दैट्स ओके. जब तक मम्मी पापा मान नहीं जाते और मेरी जरूरत, सच में जरूरत है क्या नहीं लैपटॉप लेने की, तब तक आई वेट. तो वो एक बैलेंस पेरेंट्स अगर क्रिएट करेंगे तो वो बच्चे के लिए हेल्दी रहेगा. इवन फिर वो सारे नीड्स हो गए, वो सोशल नीड्स हो गए, वो एनवायरमेंट नीड्स हो गए, वो कोई भी नीड्स हो गए, तो दैट चाइल्ड विल ऑलवेज सेग्रीगेट कि आज ये जरूरी है क्या, इतना अटेंशन देना है कि नहीं. या, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट विच यू कोटेड हियर. अब ये हुई पेरेंटिंग की बात. What about the child? अभी आप you say that parents have to balance, right? तो यहाँ पे चाइल्ड का रोल क्या आता है जब यू अभी आप स्पेशल किड्स की बात की है, ठीक है? नॉर्मली भी आज के तारीख में पीपल हैव एनकरेज थेरेपी। पीपल अगर बच्चे का कोई बिहेवियर और पैटर्न समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, दे गो टू थेरेपिस्ट, राइट? दे गो टू थेरेपिस्ट एंड दे आस्क द क्वेश्चंस। तो आज की तारीख में व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि एक चाइल्ड आज इतना इन्फ्लुएंस है आजू बाजू, सोशल मीडिया, स्क्रीन्स, पीपल, जजमेंट। आई सॉ दिस video that there was a girl 18 years old, and she got her nose job done, she got her cheeks job, मतलब उसने almost 18 jobs उसने उसने फेस पे किए, करवाए, 18 years of old। तो now seeing that कि फेस इतना इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया कि मुझे इतनी सारी चीजें करनी पड़ रही है एट द एज ऑफ 18। हाउ डू यू थिंक चिल्ड्रन हैव बीन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड आज के तारीख में थ्रू सोशल मीडिया?
I think that social media is the biggest, I couldn't say villain, but yeah, it plays a big role in our life to influence our life. What I was saying, that social media plays very strong role in our life. I personally try to avoid social media as much as I can. I mean, it's good that everyone is doing something, everyone is achieving something, but at the same time, somewhere we are human. We have feelings, we have emotions, and somewhere you will feel, oh my God, she's achieving this, and I'm not able to do that. Client might go to parents saying कि उसने तो कर लिया, आप मुझे क्यों मना कर रहे हो? And the parents get into that dilemma of कि अब उसके मम्मी पापा ने तो मना कर नहीं किया, तो हमने किया, तो the child might feel that हम नहीं करने देते हैं. The pressure gets built up on the parents as well as the child. I think not totally ignoring social media, but trying to, balance. We have to somewhere teach them that it's okay not to achieve it at that same time. It's okay to fail sometimes. It's okay to get up again and try again harder. होता है, मतलब ठीक है, अब किसी ने कुछ कर लिया या फिर उसने, अब जैसे आपने बोला कि शी गॉट 18 जॉब्स ऑन फेस, राइट? सो दैट वाज समथिंग शी वांटेड टू डू, एंड राइट नाउ वी आर इन दैट स्टेट दैट अगर उनको करना है तो वी कांट रेस्ट्रिक्ट देम बिकॉज शी वाज 18 एज वेल, सो वी कांट. तो बिफोर दैट, आई थिंक गोइंग into 18 or something, before that, like in the teenage and everything, we can try to teach them it's okay. It's okay not to get things. Then I think that would be easy to communicate, that would be easy to connect with the child. Why no?
Yeah, that's what I also wanted to share, that social media people put things that are very good looking, as in वो सिर्फ पॉजिटिव चीजें ही पोस्ट करते हैं, and in each of the human's life there is bit happiness, there is bit sadness that exists together, but social media पे सिर्फ happiness जाती है। and when you were saying कि comparison होता है, तो I was saying कि comparison पहले भी होता था जब सोशल मीडिया नहीं था। ह्यूमंस पहले भी है, इमोशंस भी वही है, ह्यूमन भी वही है, फीलिंग्स भी वही है, जस्ट दैट एक्सपोजर कम था। पहले अगर मैं नाना नानी के घर पे जाती थी साल में एक बार, दैट टाइम कजिन्स के साथ कंपैरिजन होता था, जिससे मुझे उभरने को 1 डेढ़ महीना मिल जाता था, फिर वापस 1 साल बाद हम कंपैरिजन करते थे। बट आज एवरी सेकेंड पे कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, तो वो जो एक्सपोजर है वो बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन। हर चीज आज हम वीडियो कॉल पे लोगों से मिल लेते हैं। दैट्स व्हाट आई थॉट कि exposure is one of the factors that is influencing a lot. Same with parents, इतना सारा देख लिया कि ये पेरेंट ने ऐसा किया, कोई पेरेंट्स अपना होम स्कूल कर रहा है बच्चे को, कोई पेरेंट सिर्फ ऑर्गेनिक खाने पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहा है, घर के ही खाने पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहा है, और कोई पेरेंट्स मतलब वो खुद पे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं कि एम आई डूइंग राइट। पेरेंट्स स्टार्ट डाउटिंग देमसेल्व्स। कहीं ना कहीं दैट व्हाट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इज सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस, ये बहुत कम हो रहा है, बहुत कम। एंड व्हाट डू यू वांट टू स्पीक ऑन इट?
Self acceptance is something that we learn, we have to learn it on by ourselves. We have to
Mm.
let go things of others. We have to let go the feeling of FOMO. We have to let go the feeling of comparisons. सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस तभी आएगा जब हम कंपेयर करना छोड़ देंगे. If we keep comparing ourselves to situations, if we keep comparing ourselves to people, then self acceptance nahi hoga. You see, I so this is my personal example that I was overweight, like heavy weight.
Hmm.
So I had some issues of accepting it that okay, it's bad and I have to work on it. I did work on it, but later when I accepted it, ki fine, my body is this is the way my body is. I have to accept it and I have to start working on it. So that was
Hmm.
a big step which took a lot of time for me to accept. It's not about how I look, it's about how I feel. And if I start accepting how I am, then only I will feel good about myself. We say this that if you want to love somebody, if you want to give or spread love to somebody, you first have to love yourself for that. I have literally lost a weight and I have gained my confidence in my body. I accepted the way I am. And now I feel that I have the confidence while I'm talking to somebody. I have the confidence while I'm going somewhere and while people are looking at me. I have this thought that I don't care. I just love myself because I accepted myself.
Yes. And letting go is something we often say to people, but we've never let it go. जैसे I wanted to do therapy, right? So my father instantly said, ये बहुत सालों पहले की बात है, कि अरे ये तो पैसों का चक्कर है, तू मत घुस उसमें. देखो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, हमको बता, हम सॉल्व करते हैं. But there are few things I can't talk to my parents. There are
True.
few things that I would not, for example, the response कि मुझे अगर थेरेपी लेनी है and I get a response that ये पैसे का चक्कर है, तू छोड़ दे. तो ये रिस्पॉन्स ही मुझे नहीं चाहिए, राइट? तो मेरे बाकी के प्रॉब्लम्स मैं कैसे शेयर करूंगी? तो देर आर मेनी मिथ्स अराउंड थेरेपी, थेरेपिस्ट्स. इज देयर एनी मिथ दैट यू वांट टू बर्स्ट?
There would be a lot of myths, but the one I
आई
would
नो.
like to focus.
द वन टॉप ऑफ योर हेड.
Yeah, the top of my head is if you work with these kids or if you work with if you work in psychology, then you will go nuts.
हाँ.
You lose your head. You lose your mind.
हाँ.
I my doctor said this to me. The one who was my family physician said that
हाँ.
पागलों के साथ काम करेगी पागल हो जाएगी. Was the instant reaction I got when he got to know that I am doing psychology. But it's not like that. It's, as I said, everyone is different. And it's not something, see, I understand that there are struggles in their life, the way they express is different, but everyone has their struggles and everyone likes to deal with it their own way. So
Correct.
it's not something that is going to make me crazy. To be really honest, it makes me happy to work in this field. It makes me feel alive to work in this field. I get the satisfaction when there is smallest win in my case. There is smallest challenge which I have achieved. I dance. I celebrate it because that's how important my work is for me. So this is a myth that if you work with psychological patients, you will go crazy. You will, how will you calm down yourself? You will get too much connected to them, and you will start behaving like them. I don't understand if somebody at some point has acted out as crazy, right? I mean, how do we define crazy? It's different for
Yeah.
each and everyone.
Yeah,
For
that's
me,
what. That's
something
what.
crazy is different for you, right? It's
Of
different.
course.
So we cannot say that तुम पागल हो जाओगे, तुम crazy हो जाओगे. No, no, it's not like that. I understand the
It.
mindset as well as the care you want because the feeling of somebody close going into the field. But at the same time, if you haven't explored the field, if you haven't been in the field, then judging the field, judging the clients is something I don't like it. That's what I want to
Yeah.
do in my life, that I want to create that non-judgmental phase. And the
Yes.
therapy creates that phase in your life that there is somebody who is not judging me. There is someone who is letting me act as I want. Not now, there I'm not saying that go crazy and jump on the cars or jump from the buildings or something like that. Obviously, it's
Yeah.
something. So by researches, it has been proven that psychological disorders, or for that matter, the autism or something, passes genetically, as well as
Uh-huh.
there are some triggers in your life which
Hmm.
causes the trigger for the disorder for that matter. So if there are some
Hmm.
genes in your life and if there is some trigger point going on in your life, it triggers the past traumas and it causes the and we don't have the right to say that they are crazy, because for everyone craziness is different. The definition of craziness, the definition of pagal ho jana is different for me, different for you, different for others. So we cannot
Correct.
define somebody's feelings, somebody's emotions, and somebody's life for that matter.
Yeah, even I've found few physicians saying डिप्रेशन जैसी कोई चीज नहीं होती है स्ट्रांग रहने का. So people who have studied so much about human body and then neglecting mental health is like too much pain for me to hear. So what I do is I ignore. That's what I can do. So, there's any advice that you would want to give Nadis just like you, maybe who want to get into this sector, or maybe who have someone with special needs, or someone who just want to cope up with their own problems? How do they let it go? We need one advice from you and one tool that you would suggest to all of us, the audiences of the Arrival podcast.
So this is a thing which I do personally,
Uh-huh.
and I have tried it a lot of time. It helps. Whenever
Okay.
I'm feeling too much of thoughts going on in my mind and everything going on in my
Uh-huh.
mind, I can't just segregate it. I can't just work on it because there are too many
Hmm.
things going on in my mind. And if I
Hmm.
talk to somebody else about it, they might just get disturbed. They might just say, okay, stop thinking, which is really
Yeah.
difficult. I mean,
That's not
I
possible.
understand saying stop overthinking and doing it is difficult.
Yeah, that's what.
I understand that. So, what I do is I take a paper, I write down my thoughts. I set a timer for 5 minutes. I write down my thoughts, whatever thoughts I have, however I have it. Then I write it down, I keep it somewhere, and I forget about it for some time. I won't even look at that sheet for some time. When I'm calmed down, when I'm okay, and then I'll just go back to the sheet. I will read it again. And I'll ask
Mm-hmm.
myself for each and every line, is this necessary? Is this something I need to think about? Because,
Hmm.
see, if you are too much into overthinking for that time, so I am right now overthinking for everything. I'm right now anxious for everything. And if I keep going on and on and on, it might just keep triggering.
Yeah.
It might not help me to do anything. I mean, it will just keep piling up and up and up. So, what I do, I write it down, I keep it somewhere. When I'm calmed down, when I'm okay to think, they are just the
Mm-hmm.
thoughts which are piling up on me. There is no meaning of for it. Like I'm thinking after 10 years, what will I do? Is something not needed right now. What
Yeah,
if my
it is not.
this happens and then this happens, then this happens? That thought is not needed right now. What if this
Hmm.
happens? I have to be prepared. That's all I can do.
Yeah.
What will my family think?
Hmm.
How will they react to it? I mean, they are giving their 100% to me and I'm not able to complete it. Then they will think, what is the use of she doing this? And being a girl in a family, like in traditional Indian families, my family has never said that go get married. But yeah, there will be people who will tell your family that, oh, let's get her married. I mean, what's the use of she getting
Yeah.
into education and everything? I am lucky in that manner that my father always said that even if you fail, even if you are not able to do it, I have the trust. I'll keep trying till the time you are okay with it. Till the time you want to keep trying, I want to keep trying. And my whole family supported me through it. This is how I deal with the situation. Being a girl, being a nari, it is really difficult to, deal with your own thoughts while helping others to deal with their thoughts. Because
Yeah.
we often say that the male presence is actually important, and it is. But the nari is someone who understands someone emotionally, who helps them to grow emotionally, who supports them, as well as she has to take care of herself.
Yeah.
And for like the generation, like our mother's generation, our grandparents' generation, that generations, I personally feel that they haven't taken care as much as they should, because the nari in their generations used to be like, they were never aware about their emotions.
Yeah.
So being aware of our emotions, I personally like dancing.
Uh-huh.
I personally like going for a walk, listening to music. So this is what I do. I'll just put on my earphones, I'll go for a long walk, I'll dance it out. We do this in sessions.
Okay.
If we have had the whole week, at the end of the session, we just put on some music and we all dance with the child.
Hmm.
They also like to express themselves, we also like to express ourselves. Sometimes we do activities like whatever going on in your mind, just draw it. Just try to find some meaning through your drawing. It's not necessary it should be colorful, it should be
Uh,
beautiful. No. Sometimes we just doodle. Doodling
yeah.
also helps. I mean,
Yeah.
going on and on and on. We try these activities when we are free, like the therapist teams. In my organization, we try to come up with other ideas to help the therapist to cope up with things. Because it's a throughout the week we have 4 session daily. So
Mm-hmm.
like Monday to Friday, 4 sessions daily, and we have a break of 20 minutes, 25 minutes in between, which we have to set up. We have to clean up the setups and again do the setups and everything. We try to find out some balance by doing these activities, by listening to music, by just being by ourselves.
Mm.
Just close the doors, keep your phone off, and just sit silently. Don't do anything. That also helps for me.
Yes. So this tools helps us. Yeah, correct. Even meditation, the way you said that कि हम एक रूम में जाके बंद कर लो और शांति से रहो. That's meditation, right? Meditation
Yes.
is just closing the eyes and ears and मन का door so that we have minimum thoughts. It's not that thoughts will just go away. No. It makes us realize which thoughts are necessary to go through our mind. So that's how
Right.
many tools work, right? It may be meditation, it may be therapy, it may be dancing. Any tool that works for you, you should go for it. There's one thing that I wanted to share. I saw this post, the one you said that our mothers, their mothers, they never thought of their emotions. They never took care of themselves, right? So I was looking through this post. I took a screenshot. They were saying that growing up, I never knew a relaxed woman. Successful woman, yes. Productive woman, yes. Plenty. Anxious, afraid, apologetic women, yes. But relaxed women, no. An ease woman, no. Women who aren't afraid to take space in the world, no. तो हमने ऐसे women को कभी देखा ही नहीं. But I'm not sure if I have ever met that woman, but I would like to become one.
Yes.
So, even when I cover these stories of women, they all, of course, they share their struggle stories. That's how Narrival podcast is. We share our survival stories. But sometimes it is okay to pause. It is okay to be happy with what we are, to enjoy yourself. मैंने ऐसे ही देखे हैं, मतलब एक स्टोरी था, वन ऑफ द गेस्ट, she used to cook 3 meals in subah and then she used to go for the sessions. That's her journey, that's her survival, that's very good for her, no doubt. But sometimes taking a pause is also necessary.
Yes.
Necessary as in you can enjoy yourself, है ना? अगर men भी ऑफिस से आते हैं तो they sit while on the sofa, थोड़ा रिलैक्स होते हैं, टीवी देखते हैं, and then they get to work. So do we do that for ourselves? Just think for 2 seconds. And if this helps, thank you so much, Tejasvi, for coming on to Narival podcast. It was really nice, insightful time that I spent today. वीकेंड का बहुत अच्छा इस्तेमाल हुआ है मेरा. एंड दो चीज मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हाईलाइट करनी चाहिए फिर से. इज वन इज एक्सेप्टेंस. And another thing is avoidance. So there are few things that you need to accept so that your life becomes easier. And also there are few things that you should avoid to just make your life easier. It's okay to think about yourself sometimes.
I would say it's okay to say no.
Yeah,
I have
yeah,
learned it hard way. I mean, when I joined my office, everybody used to be like, "Tejasvi, learn to say no," because I used to be like, "Fine, इतना सा काम है, मैं कर दूंगी, उसमें क्या है?" Being a girl, being a woman, we need to start saying no. We need to teach our childs to say no. They are, for them, we are
yeah,
their model. So for them, it's like
yeah,
इसने बोला तो मैं भी वही करूंगी. So for us, our parents were role
yeah,
model, right? My mother, I haven't seen her
yeah,
saying no. I won't do this. No, I need this time for myself.
yeah,
So yeah, the way I was, taught कि नहीं, no नहीं बोलना. But then I learned कि no, it's okay. I told my mother that day that mummy, it's okay to say no. It's okay to respect our boundaries. That's how we will learn, right? I mean, हमने ना बोलना ही नहीं सीखा है is our problem. So
yeah.
when you said that we need to avoid, we need to say no.
Yeah.
And that too
And
politely.
वो yeah, नारी कम्युनिटी का एक थोड़ा फॉल्ट है
Yeah.
कि हाँ, और एज एन इंडियन ऑल्सो गिल्ट और रिग्रेट ये हमारे ब्लड में इतना इम्बाइब है। हम कुछ गलती नहीं भी कर रहे ना तो भी गिल्ट है। हम खुद पे ध्यान दे रहे ना तो भी गिल्ट है कि
हाँ,
मैंने खुद पे कैसे 2 घंटे डाल दिए। व्हाट अबाउट अदर पीपल्स हु आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन मी? अरे नो बाबा। सो या दैट्स
I
हाउ
feel this.
कल्चरली वी हैव बीन मोल्डेड।
We need to take our own stand. And that is the thing which Nari community needs to start doing.
Yeah,
Take your own
they should.
stand.
It's high time that they set boundaries. They take their own stand. सिर्फ उनका खुद का मेंटल हेल्थ प्रिजर्व करने को, दैट्स इट। किसी और का फायदा नहीं होने वाला, सिर्फ उनका होने वाला
वही।
है।
I mean, they need to understand कि ठीक है, इसमें से मेरा ही फायदा है.
Thank you so much, Tejasvi. Thank you so much for
Thank you for
being
the
here.
opportunity.
Thank you so much.